Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion 5 won't boot up, it can be quite concerning. This issue is often caused by a failing hard drive or a faulty motherboard. If left unrepaired, it can lead to data loss and further damage to your device. So, it's essential to address this problem as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement hard drive or motherboard, depending on the fault. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Now, using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is off, we need to identify the faulty component. If the hard drive is the issue, it will typically be located near the center of the laptop. Look for the hard drive bay, which is usually secured with a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. Gently lift the hard drive out of its bay, being cautious of any attached cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To replace the hard drive, take your new one and slide it into the bay, ensuring it connects properly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. If the motherboard is at fault, you will need to remove more screws and disconnect various cables. Be attentive to the position of each cable, as this will make reassembly easier. Once you have replaced the necessary parts, it's time to close your laptop. Align the back cover carefully and press down until you hear the clips click into place. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on to check if it boots up successfully. If it does, congratulations! You have completed the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure your laptop is regularly updated and consider using antivirus software to protect against malware. Also, avoid physical shocks to the device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.